Hey guys, I'm Biker Brad, and yes, this is another ER5 video. I know it's getting boring, I know that ER5 is a heap of shit, yeah, right, but just bear with me, yeah, right. There is a new project being unveiled in this video, so stay tuned. I have diagnosed the non-start and non-runner battery drain in the ER5 as puddle in starter solenoid. Remedy, turn it upside down. Job done. Fucky now.
That's a fucking head when it was last time.
Yep. Meaty boy, that is. That's fucked. Just took the old smashed one off, put a new one on. Unfortunately got some fucking scratches, purely because I had it in the trailer over there, and when I was roiding up here to change them, they flew out the trailer and scraped down the road. Brand fucking new, mate. There's this side, looking all good. No tape holding it together, actually holding on. Then, obviously, this just needs a bit of pulling together and whatnot, but I don't have the bolts that fit underneath. They're all snapped, as you can see, which is a bit crap. But yeah, you know, better than it was. And then, boom. And it's finally got a panel there as well. It's almost like a brand new bike now. Fucking thing. Now we're just doing the front pads. We've just been struggling getting the pistons pushed back, but just sorting them out now. Job done. Now she's looking good. Malky's fitted the front pads. He just did that a second ago. Lovely. Now we're doing rear bearings, putting some rubber in between the cush drive to bodge it out, because they're £90 for a cush drive, and I think that's ridiculous. And they're like £12 for a 125, but I digress. Also doing brake shoes because they're fucked. It's time to fucking do it. Now we say goodbye to the VFR800. It was an absolute rapid machine, but it's time to go. And hello to what I've just swapped it for. A 90cc semi-auto fucking pity. Why not? Who's going to tell me what to do? Who says you can't swap 115 horsepower for 7?
This is how you transform
800 cc's of fucking power. On the back of 60 horses. Literally half.
Oh, fuck you know.
Yeah. Brand new. Brand new. Brand new. Brand new. What are you doing, mate?
Down, Bruno. Down, you little shit.
Trying to take the fucking forks apart, and they are stuck. Fucking things. Oh, I just fucking had him. Sorry, mate.
Prick. Fuck you now.
I'm gonna use the metal end for a second. I'm not supposed to because it'll fuck it up, but there you go. I fucking had him.
Prick.
I fucking had him. Oops.
I fell off the pipe.
They ain't coming apart, are they?
Nah.
So we changed the seals in one fork leg, nice and easy, job done. The one with the brakes on. Now this is the side without the brakes on, and it is not coming apart no matter what we're doing, and it is taking the absolute piss. We're using WD-40 here as a blowtorch because we haven't got one, so literally just spraying it against the flame sort of thing so the WD ignites. Oh, what a ball ache. We ended up doing this for about 3 hours. Sprayed up my exhaust, it looks so much better black. That looks so much cleaner, that does. 10 times better. So I've had to put my spare front forks on now, which is a piss take, and there, leaking oil look a sieve already. Well, I already knew they were, but I still haven't got that one fork leg apart. The other one is literally rebuilt, ready to go, but cannot get it apart. And for these ones, I can't rebuild these, so I can't get the mudguard off. Like, it's just completely on there. You can see it's melted there, where I've tried heating it up, but yeah, they're not coming out, and it's just stripping the heads of the bolts, so fun times. Now, to the allotment. They're fucking cool, aren't they?
They're having shit.
This whole place was overgrown in November, and because it's summer, all the roots have grown back up, and it's a fucking bitch to challenge. We've only managed to get 2 plant beds, shed, second shed to put up, greenhouse, all the glass there, but we can't do anything because all this shit keeps growing. We've got to kill it off somehow, which is seeming impossible. I'm changing the plugs on the Yaris. I've just done the first one, and look, there is nothing left. These probably have done 100,000 miles without being changed. And they're also a bitch to come out because there's so much corrosion around the top of the plug. They're seizing up in the threads, and I have to keep backwards and forwards to get them out. That one's done. Now for the next 3. It took me 10 minutes just to get it out. Long. A quick polish up's taking all the scratches out of the paint. Well, obviously you can still see them up close, but from a distance it looks brand new. Polish this side as well, which is a shit side. Just need to use a bit of alcohol or something now to get the rest of that sticker off. Ooh, that exhaust does look much better black though, gotta say that. Break a bread, subscribe. We fucking got it apart! It's fucking out! Yes! Thank you, Dave. Woo! So that fork leg finally came apart with a proper blowtorch. Finally. Got it all apart. Now I need to borrow a piece from this one because I washed all the parts and dried them all up sort of thing, but as Dave was drying them for me a few bits, he accidentally melted a plastic ring that neither of us knew was plastic, not his fault, sort of thing. Well, you know, always got to blame you, you know, but you know, yeah, so I've got to borrow the piece from these ones to chuck it in these forks, but that'll be a nice set of forks. These ones are all done, filled with oil now. Can't wait to run them in the bike. I actually have decent forks for the first time since owning the fucker. I've also gone through today and I've put a load of gasket sealant around the engine because it was leaking like a sieve. So it shouldn't leak as bad now. So that's it, the forks are all done. Sweet as a nut. Finally got fresh seals for the first time since owning it. Woo! That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you keep watching because we're going to be fitting a turbo on it in one of the upcoming videos. Why not? Subscribe!